Step into the future of smartphones with the Realme 14 Pro series, a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled design. Realme has always been a pioneer in innovation, and this time it's raising the bar. Get ready for the stunning color-changing panel that transforms from pearl white to vibrant blue in temperatures below 16 degrees Celsius, a design that's as dynamic as your lifestyle. But for those who prefer elegance with a touch of sophistication, the Suede gray version is a true masterpiece. Its vegan leather back offers a premium textured feel, all while being ultra slim at just 7.5 millimeters thick. And don't worry about durability. This beauty is built tough with IP66, IP68, and IP69 protection, safeguarding it from dust, water, and high-pressure liquids. The Realme 14 Pro series isn't just about looks. It's equipped with a 1.5K curved AMOLED display, delivering stunning visuals with a smooth 3840 Hz PWM dimming for the ultimate viewing experience. Whether you're scrolling, streaming, or gaming, every moment is vivid and immersive. And now let's talk performance. The Realme 14 Pro Plus is expected to feature the powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. On the back, a triple camera setup awaits. 50-megapixel main lens, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, ready to capture your world in stunning detail. Battery life? No problem. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery and 80-watt wired fast charging, you'll stay powered up, no matter the demands of your day. Launching in January 2025, the Realme 14 Pro series is set to redefine premium smartphones. With innovative features, stunning design, and unmatched performance, it's a phone built for those who demand more. Realme inspiring the future. Stay tuned for more updates.